Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 9, in this unit there is a poem named What If. I have completed the telling you the story and explanation through the stanza wise. Now comes to what? Comes to the exercise. Multiple choice question means MCQ. Okay, the first MCQ here is: while the speaker lay thinking, while the speaker lay thinking, there arose in his mind some questions, which were, which were, which were option A intelligent, option B foolish, option C useless, and option D troublesome. So while sitting and lay thinking about the questions which were useless, okay. Number second, these questions haunted his mind, which those question keeps in the poet's mind. Those questions haunted his mind. Option A, for an hour, the whole evening, all day, all night. So this question haunted his mind all night. While sleeping at night, all night the question haunted his mind, means the poet's mind. Question number third, these questions relate to, which the poet thought about it. Those questions related to who, what, present, future, past, school. So the question relate to the future, what will happen. Okay, so the questions relate to the future. MCQ number 4, I am dumb in school. I am dumb in school means that the speaker might what? Option A, really go dumb in school. Option B, not be able to speak to his friends. Option C, not be able to answer the teacher's questions. And option D, be absent in school. So the I am dumb in school means option C, not be able to answer the teacher's question. That is the correct answer. The meaning of the word I am dumb in school means not able to give any type of answer asking by the teachers. So C is the correct answer. Now number 5, the noun form of sang. Sang is a past form of the verb. Present form sing, past form sang. Okay, the verb, present and past. So here given the past form of the verb and telling you about the noun form of the verb, means sang is what? Song, sing, sung, singly. So the noun form of the sang is option A, song. Song is the correct answer. Sung past participle, sing present, singly not able, means song is the correct answer. Now here the MCQ. The first possibility in the passage is that the speaker might, here given the passage, but about first possibility in the passage is that the speaker might what? Be caned, be depressed, beat someone, and be beaten by someone. So the answer is be depressed. What? Be depressed. MCQ number 2. The question shows that the question so that the speaker looks at the future with what? Fear, hope, dismay, courage. So the question keeps in their mind about the future. So the speaker looks at the future with what? Fear. He fears about the things. What happened? So he fears. The poet fears. Now number third. The speaker does not want to. The speaker does not want to live, be happy, die, or succeed. So the speaker does not want to what? Die. He doesn't want to die. Now MCQ number 4. The last line shows that the author is probably A. The last line of the poem shows that, in this stanza, shows that what? Which line? What if I flung that test? That is the line. What if about the flung that test? That is the line. So the last line shows that the author is probably A. Policeman, businessman, teacher, student. So the line shows that about the test. If he fails the test, so he described as student. Now fifth, the word flunk. Flunk means the same as what? Miss, fail, top, succeed. So flunk the test means here given the word flunk. Flunk means fail. B is the correct answer. Then next, the word what if indicates that the speaker is. The word what if indicates that the speaker is. Speaker is option A, in real danger. B, thinking of the impossible. C, under threat. Or D, wasting his time and energy. So the word what if indicates that the poet, the speaker, is wasting his time and energy about the future. He thinks about what? About the future. So he wastes his time and energy. Number second, the speaker suffers from option A sense of insecurity, a brilliant imagination, a threat to his life, and D, the fear of lightning. So the speaker suffers from a sense of insecurity. Option A is the correct answer. Sense of insecurity. Thinking about his future. What will happen? What if I fail the test? What if his parents got divorced? About that. Okay, so sense of insecurity, option A is the correct answer. Now third, this passage has been taken from, means the whole poem taken from. What is the title of the poem? Means taken from what? The passages: beauty, what if, the kite, and vocation. I have explained the poem, which the name of the poem is what if. So B is the correct answer. Number 4, the poem has been composed by. The poem has been composed by whom? Who has written the poem? Lauren M. Halley, Harry Benn, Shel Silverstein, and Eleanor Farjeon. So option C is the correct answer. The poet Shel Silverstein has written, means has been composed, the poem What If. Number 5, the word bolt means the same as. The word bolt means same as a lock, a sudden strike, door, a piece of iron. So the word bolt means the same as a sudden strike. A sudden strike. So students, these are the MCQs of Unit 9 poem What If. I have explained this MCQ and you must write these MCQs in your notebook. In the next class, I will explain the more MCQs of this unit about the poem What If. For that, thank you.